Welcome to Oak Tree Mudgee. Step into our villas, a smart, low-maintenance home designed with comfort and safety in mind. With 3 bedrooms, a single garage and an open-plan layout, there's room to relax, entertain and enjoy everyday living. You'll find a bathroom plus a separate powder room for added convenience, all across a spacious 123 square metres. It's well thought out, light-filled and perfect for those wanting a peaceful lifestyle without the upkeep. Take a closer look. This could be the perfect fit for your next chapter.